in a short bit. Let's see the numbers of that second set from Anne.
Well, it was a much better start for Ateneo, but they were unable to sustain it. Attack points, 10 for Ateneo, 14 for Sandugo San Sebastian. Pagdating sa blocking, halos pantay lang. Ganun din sa service aces. Pero itong errors, they're about 6 for Ateneo, 4 for Sandugo San Sebastian. I think what happened there in the previous set, okay yung umpisa ng Ateneo. Hindi na na-sustain. There were quite a few errors also during the latter part. Yun ang nawala. Kasi sa first set, makikita natin, although parang seesaw battle lang siya, but they were able to really keep at pace.
That's true.
With Sandugo.
And when Sandugo just like turned on the switch, let's get it on and get it over with. Lahat gumana yung depensa nila, especially and of course the offense of Zane Roses was there, Janguli was there. They limited their errors, and they're such a tough team to beat once sabi nga natin, they get their act together. Yung nagkaroon sila ng they're on the same page, a team with this kind of lineup, so hard to beat.
That's right, of course. Paulit-ulit nating sinasabi, but it's true. I mean, this is a powerhouse team that we have in Sandugo San Sebastian.
Alisa trying to save that play, and Zane Roses being drowned in that attempt. 3-1, Sandugo with a 2-point lead. Shakey's, this one, family pizza. It has got to be Shakey's. Again, folks, for those of you who still don't know, our new venue for this open conference is the Ninoy Aquino Stadium here at the Rizal Memorial. More accessible, that's the word, more accessible for the fans to watch, because there's a lot of ways that you can come in here at the Ninoy Aquino. And when you do get here, please check out the Shakey's booth, and you can purchase special limited edition Shakey's volleyballs for 299 pesos. Bring a pentel pen with you, and at the end, or you can just have it signed and autographed by your favorite players when they're here inside the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League.
Now look at this. This is probably the biggest lead that we've seen so far.
Well, basically, Coach Roger just put in the same players, that he put in that opening set. So it's basically Roses, Boli, and Utaywan who just remains, and the three others are substituted.
And also, they're fielding in Crisostomo as the libero. Replace Gustillo.
7-1, off to a hot start here in this third. If you're Ateneo, you don't want this to happen. Yung makalayo agad ng maaga itong Sandugo. 8-1.
Look at this. Benito from the back.
And remember, these are fresh legs.
Yes.
Nakapagpahinga ng isang buong set. Sandugo with a 7-point lead. They're on top, 8-1.